Hey friends, if you wish to create a bulleted list in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. So select the list first of all. Okay, select this part of the list. And then you can simply click on the bullet section in the home tab and it will create bullets. But this is just one part of it. If you click on the download pointing arrow associated with it, there are many other types of bullets like this square one, this tick one, this diamond one. So you can choose the type of bullet you want. And when you click on this bullet mark again, then it's gone. But here's the thing, if you select a certain type, let's say that you select the square type of bullet, then it doesn't matter how many times you redo it, it will always be square unless you change it from the drop down menu itself. And to change it to the most original point, which is the dotted one, simply select the dotted ones. So this is how bullet creation works in Microsoft Word. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.